Big picture gives you an overview of your key performance indicators. We display your current results with a thumbs up or a thumbs down, as well as a percentage change from the prior comparison time period. We graph your historical performance and allow you to see this performance 3 different ways. Monthly, a short-term trailing 3 months moving trend, or a long-term trailing 12 months moving trend. Moving your mouse over the graph highlights the specific amounts and dates in all CFO Scoreboard graphs. The big picture starts with operating cash flow, then highlights your profits, profit margin, and finally revenue. Selecting any one of these will automatically change the graph and enable you to see the trends for each category. You can easily change the analysis time period or specify if you want to analyze your numbers either before or after owner's expenses. Big picture also summarizes how much money you're leaving on the table because you did not operate in the current time period at your prior best ever level of performance in one of or more categories. Moving your mouse over the bar graph will highlight the location and size of your suboptimal performance. This analysis is expanded later in the reports section. Dig here ranks by monetary significance the 6 or 7 most critical areas where the business's performance has deteriorated from the prior comparison time period. If you are only going to focus on a couple of things, this list contains the most significant categories which would have the greatest financial impact to the bottom line and the cash of the business. Sustainability highlights the overall financial health of your business by calculating how effectively assets are being converted into revenue, how efficiently revenue is being converted into profits, and how productively profits are being converted into cash flow. CFO Scoreboard analyzes this trend on a long-term and a short-term basis. Finally, in big picture, we convert all these calculations and numbers into plain English. We describe what's happening to the top line revenue as well as the 2 bottom lines of your business, specifically operating cash flow and profits. We even make it easier by displaying either a green thumbs up if you're improving or a red thumbs down if your financial results are getting worse. And CFO Scoreboard calculates and describes in plain English how your business is doing at converting your assets into profits or your assets into cash flow. Of course, if you prefer to have this information presented in ratios and metrics, we do that as well in the remaining sections of these reports.